In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Notion database to Google Sheets using a simple add-on. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or you simply want your information to stay synced automatically, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets and go to the top menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Extensions. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. When the menu drops down, hover over Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where we'll install the tool that connects everything. Next, click on the search bar at the top and type Coefficient. You'll see it appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see several options that help you install and use the add-on. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Once the installation finishes, Coefficient will open in a panel on the right side of your screen. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you want to connect, have your Notion workspace open separately, and be ready to approve permissions when prompted. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once Coefficient is installed, look at the panel on the right and click Import From. After that, select Notion from the list. You'll then be asked to authorize Coefficient so it can access your Notion workspace. Follow the prompts and approve the connection. After that, you should be able to choose your Notion database and select the columns you want to import without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check your filters or views in Notion before importing. Taking this extra step ensures the exact data you need gets synced cleanly, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect your Notion database to Google Sheets easily and keep your data up to date with automatic refreshes whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to streamline their workflow. Why not make someone's day easier?